Operators in Java. Operators are mainly used to control, modify, and compare data in Java language environment. Since the beginning of this book, we have already been using equal sign, which is equal to, or an assignment operator, which works by assigning a compatible value into variable. In addition, arithmetic operators are used to control value that will be assigned to a variable. Arithmetic operators, these are the most basic form of operators apart from assignment operator. Additive operator, it returns sum of two values. Subtractive operator, it returns difference of two values. Multiplicative operator, it returns product of two values. Divisive operator, it returns quotient of two values. Remainder operator, it returns remainder of two values being divided. Increment and decrement operator, these operators increase or decrease the value of variable by 1. Increment, which is plus plus, it increases the value by 1, and decrement minus, it decreases the value by 1. They can also be used as prefix or pre-increment operator, where plus plus is placed before variable. When plus plus is placed after variable, then it becomes postfix or post increment operator. Logical operator, these operators are also called comparison operators. They permit degree of flow control to your program by comparing two values or set specific conditions. First is equal to, it checks if two values are equal. Is not equal to, it checks if two values are not equal. Then is greater than, it checks if value to the left of the operator is greater than the value to its right. Now is less than, it checks if value to the left of the operator is less than the value to its right. Is greater than or equal to, it checks if value to the left of the operator is greater than or equal to value to its right. Is less than or equal to, it checks if value to the left of operator is less than or equal to value to its right. Logical AND, it checks if both values are true. Logical OR, it checks if at least one value is true. Bitwise operators, these operators manipulate variable at bit level in primitive yet fast way, since they analyze binary numerals, which are smallest unit of addressable memory. They process execution in quickest way possible, and a two equal length binary operator that performs with the logic operator and multiplies both elements with bits. Not operator, it is a unary operator that performs with goal of logical negation and completes binary value of ones. Or an operator that takes 2-bit patterns whose lengths are equal and performs with logical operator OR. XOR, an operator that takes 2-bit patterns whose lengths are equal.